guys, and welcome back to our vlog and the cooking series. Today we are going to be making toad in a hole, which is a British classic. So come with me into the kitchen and let's make a cooking vlog. So guys, these are the ingredients. So we've got some sausages, we have an egg, some water, 200 milliliters, and some flour. So please guys, for this toad in the hole and a British classic and comfort in the winter, please subscribe, please share, please comment, and please like the video. And if you have commented, be sure to know that we are subscribing to you back, because we are a channel of blessings too. So let's get into this, guys. Firstly, we will crack the egg into the flour and break that up. Give it a good old mix. Start off with, make sure it's coated in. Then next, we will grab the water and put some in, just to know how thick we need it. Just like so. If I need to add any more soon, then I will. Which obviously we're going to need to. Like this. Then we have to grab some more. And make sure you get all the flour in there from all the sides. So yeah, just keep stirring, getting all of that flour from the sides, just like so, and keep binding it and binding it. And this will be your Yorkshire batter mix. So yeah, just like that. So once it's all mixed in, you should have something that looks like this. Nice smooth batter. Smooth. And then you should have some oil in the little pots. But this is the same mix. You can make little single ones or you can make a big one. But I'm doing two separate ones for me and my daughter. So I have preheated to be able to stick the mix straight in with the sausages inside and then wait for the end result. Is to pour some into the oil like this. Make sure it's spread out like that, and then you just place the sausage right there. This is my daughter's one, so I've only got an air fryer available. I need to sort out my oven because it just smokes now. But while we wait 20 minutes for Crystal's one to be ready, my one will go in afterwards because there's not enough room in the air fryer. But in the meantime, guys, while we wait for the end result for Crystal's one, please like, please subscribe, please comment, and please share this video. Let's get it out there for the rest of the series. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much for whoever is supporting us so far. This is how Crystals have turned out. No baby shark plate. It's not too bad, to be fair, for the first one. Still got mine to go. I reckon she'll want this all cut up anyway, but she's not a fan of gravy either. Weird girl, but she likes what she likes. Alright, now for my one. So that's how she wants hers. With tomato ketchup. And all chopped up. Bang bang. This is the end result of Crystal's plate. So she must have enjoyed it. So I can't wait to eat mine. Well, mine didn't come out as big, but so good. I've got another one in the air fryer now too. But I made some gravy to go on it. like that. Let's eat this one. Gosh. Let's see if one of the sausages will come out. Like that. Wow. Gosh. That's what the inside looked like. Bang. So I've kind of smoked out my kitchen doing the third one. So I've had to take it out and open all the doors and turn the extractor fan on. It's just smoky in here. But we had 2 successful ones. That's the end of the video, guys. Please like, please subscribe, please share, and please comment down below, even in the live chat, so we can subscribe back to you. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. I hope you're enjoying the cooking vlog so far. See you in the next one.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Wing Bian Noel Orong from Philippines. Please support Daddy Travels, my beloved friend, content creator in United Kingdom. Guys, don't forget guys, subscribe to his channel and follow to his Facebook page, Daddy Travels. And of course, please don't forget Mr. Wing Bian here in the Philippines.